If you're experiencing excessive hair shedding, hair fall, thinning hair, bad hair, lost edges, thinning edges, this tea spray I'm about to share with you will help you on that to solve that problem. But warning, if you are not ready for extreme hair growth, if you are not ready for thicker hair, please do not prepare this tea spray, because this tea spray will give you very thick hair. Your hair will be too thick for you to handle. So if you are ready, let's go and prepare this tea spray. The first thing is to bring my jar, and my jar is clean. My first ingredient is moringa powder. Moringa contains vitamins, minerals and fatty acids that nourish hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. Moringa contains zinc, iron and calcium, which can help strengthen hair and prevent split end. Moringa contains antioxidants that can protect hair from damaging caused by free radical and oxidative stress. Moringa contains omega-3, which can help retain moisture on the hair. Moringa contains biotin, which can help increase the oxygen supply to the scalp. So I'm making use of 2 tablespoons of my moringa powder. Moving on to my second ingredient, I have cloves. Cloves enhance blood circulation. Cloves has property that can help stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which may promote hair follicles activate and encourage hair growth. Cloves contain vitamins, mineral and fiber that can nourish the hair follicles and support overall healthy hair. So also I make use of 2 tablespoons of my cloves. My third ingredient is hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower helps to stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which can encourage hair growth. It can also help to strengthen the hair shaft and also prevent breakage, condition the hair. And also hibiscus can help to condition the hair, make it softer and more manageable. Regular use of hibiscus flower, it can also darken your hair in future. So I just pour in my hot water. My water is very hot. I'll use my spoon to stir it around. I will cover it up, allow it to infuse for 12 hours. It can infuse this for 8 hours, but I like infusing mine for 12 hours so that I can get all the nutrients of this ingredient into my tea water. Okay, so I'll keep it away in a cool dark place. Okay, once it's 12 hours, this is what I have so far. Guys, this tea spray is so potent. If you are not ready for that hair growth, if you are not ready for extreme hair growth, if you are not ready to stop that hair shedding, hair fall, or to regrow your hair in crown section, to thicken up your hair, this tea spray is not for you. This tea spray is for those that are ready for their hair, those that are ready to grow their hair, those that are ready to see length, volume on their hair, those that are ready to grow their crown section, balls, patches, and also thicken up their edges and regrow their edges and so many other hair problems. And also this recipe or this tea spray also can help to treat your scalp problem. If you have any scalp issue, believe me, you consistency of using this tea spray in a very short period of time, you will see great change on that your scalp issue you are having, like dandruff, itching scalp or scalp irritation. This tea spray can also help you to solve that problem. Guys, there's no joke on this tea spray. Many people have tried this tea spray and the testimony is real. The testimony is very, very pronounceable. So please use it the way I'm about to direct you. Okay, I will be seeing a great change on your hair. So what I did now, I transfer it into what I did. I use my shifter and my ball weight to collect my tea spray. Use something that have very tiny holes so that the residues of moringa powder will not stuck on the tea, and when that's in the tea, it's going to stuck on your hair, and that is not a good idea. Okay, after then I transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application. Guys, this is how my hair is. I'm going to use this now to moisturize my hair, to hydrate my hair, to keep my hair that hydrate, moisturize and keep my hair healthy. So how to use this tea spray for best result? Only thing you need to do is to apply this tea spray as a leave-in tea spray. Do not wash it out. If you really want that faster hair growth, if you want to solve that problem faster, when you leave this tea spray on your hair, that's when you will see results faster. Okay, but if you are washing it out, you will not see that result faster. This is the honest truth about it. This is the honest review about this. Okay, so I'm giving you guys the key on how to use this tea spray spray to see that best result that you desire. Just two to three times application, and you see how your hair will grow like never before. So allow this tea spray to sit on your hair to do that great work it meant to do on your hair. Okay, don't wash it out. Do not wash it out. This tea spray don't have anything to worry about. This tea spray is natural, okay? All the ingredients, they are natural, so you don't have anything to worry about, okay? So just allow this tea to sit on your hair. I'm talking about the smell. This tea spray does not smell any bad at all. It smells so okay? So you don't have anything to worry. Please allow it to sit on your hair if you really want to see that growth faster on your hair. If you want to see that visible results very fast, allow this tea spray to sit on your hair. I know why I'm repeating it again. I know why I'm repeating this word, so that you will really know the effective of allow this tea spray to sit on your hair, okay? But this tea spray, you can use this tea spray only 2 to 3 times in a week, okay? And you are good to go. So if you are normally wash your hair once in a week or once in 2 weeks, please continue using this spray. Consistency of using this tea spray in 2 weeks time, to 1 month time, you will see how your hair will grow. You see how your hair will thicken up. Your hair will be too thick for you to handle. This tea spray is a lifesaver. This tea spray have saved me a lot in time of shedding, have saved me a lot to thicken up my hair. The way my hair is now, that is not the way my hair was. As you can see from the beginning of this video at the intro part, this is how my hair was before, and you see how my hair is now. Thanks for DIY. So please, if you are joking with DIYs, please do not joke with them. Only thing you need to do is to be consistent with it. Any DIY you are using on your hair, just try to be consistent on it, and you're going to see that visible result in a very short period of time, because consistent is the key, okay? There's no product out there that work magic. There's no product out there that can grow your hair overnight. There's no product out there that can give you that thicker hair growth faster without you being consistent, okay? There's no magic product out there. So what you need to do to see the best result on this tea spray I'm sharing with you guys today is to be consistent and use the way I direct you, okay? After applying it on your hair, make sure you give yourself a gentle scalp massage, because scalp massage helps to activate the effective of this tea spray. And follow up with your leave-in condition or your hair butter, and you're good to go, guys, okay? So use it the way I direct you. Storage, you can store this only but 5 days, and once it's 5 days, please discard it and make a fresh batch, okay? And that 5 days, you can store it in your refrigerator, okay? Once it's 5 days, discard it and make a fresh batch, because it's losing its potency, okay? It's better use something that have potent, something tea that have potent than tea that don't have potent. So just make a little batch that can last you for that 5 days, and you make a fresh batch so that you see the effective of this tea spray, okay? I hope this video is very helpful. If there's anything I did not cover up on this video, please let me know in comment section below, okay? Please, if you have not subscribed, please help me to click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell so as to be notified whenever I upload amazing video like this one. In this channel, I teach how to grow your hair. I do DIYs how to grow your hair healthy, longer and fuller, okay? Without you breaking the bank, with things in your kitchen you can easily find your kitchen, okay? And also, please, if you have not liked, please help me to click on that like button. It really helps the growth of the channel, and also encourage me to put more good content out there, okay? And also help you to put the video to more audience. So share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news on today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.